how to transfer money from Remitly to GCash. So you want to open up the app, and then here make sure you are set to the Philippines. So type the Philippines just like so. Make sure you have the correct country selected. All right. Now, if you go and try to send money, we're gonna click on send here. It's gonna show us the amount which we're gonna send. Let's do $10 for example. The delivery method here, you will see mobile money and you will see GCash via GCash, Maya. So we want to click on mobile money, and then you want to choose GCash. Then you will just go through the prompts here. We're gonna click on continue. Payment method. It's gonna be debit card for example, and we're gonna click on continue. And you just want to go through the prompts here for the recipient, fill out this information, and then that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.